So hello everyone and welcome to a brand new YouTube video. And today I am uploading this video after a long time. So today our topic is DNS enumeration. To find some juicy stuffs from this domain name server. And here I am going through this lab environment called Hacking Hub to explain this topic. So let's jump into it. So now, what is DNS? DNS, the full form is a domain name server, and it helps to resolve from IP to a domain name. It is like something I am explaining this into my whiteboard that if you enter some URL in your browser like www.google.com, then your DNS resolver will resolve this name to this IP. I mean Google public IP 8.8.8.8, and it finds this location to the first it will find this location to your local DNS server or local cache server. It is located in your if you are Linux, it is into your etc host file, or if you are in Windows, then it is your under your drivers etc hosts, something like that location. And if the DNS server will not find this IP in this server, then it will go to the root DNS server where their ISP is there, and it contains the top level, middle level domain name like .com, .org, and here if the browser find the main resources of this IP, then it will store the information into the authoritative DNS server, and it is as it is written that storing the DNS records for a particular domain, and thus it reflects the response in your browser after this whole process. So that's how the DNS server works. And today we will discuss some enumeration technique in this domain valmbegain.co.uk. You can open this website also. It is their main website, but we have to testing on this domain. So I will go through in my Kali machine, and this is my terminal. And I think dig is the one of the best tool to enumerate DNS, and you can also use NSLOOKUP or Dnsrecon. Though I will show you that tool later in this video. So let's jump into it. Just use dig command, and dig is a special utility to find juicy stuffs in the specified domain, and it also helps to find some special records like A records or port A records or mail records or name server and other types of records. You can also find some TXT based records also. So let's paste the domain, and it shows us a response. This is a domain, and this is a record, I mean IPv4, and if this is IPv6, then it will show a 4 times of A it will show. The information is so hazy. You can sort it out using the following command, using this +short, then it will only show you the IP. So after this we can find some other information like name server, what are the name server located in this domain. So you can do this using this command, but you can type what type of what type of service you want to find. That is name server, NS. You specifying -t flag and writing NS. Let's enter, and this will show you the all name server NS1, NS2, NS3. And if you also want to look into the mail server also, you can also do this using dig command, but just you have to replace NS with MX, type mail server, and there is showing there is nothing in the mail server. Let's do this. Okay, for the search command it's not showing you as the main information, so it is the main name server, and it is hosted into the hostmaster.valmbegain.co.uk. so it is, I think, the mail server. So other types of records, there is txt records, I mean text based records. Those are the DNS information stored into it. And it is some types of records that helps to store some domain name information and other types of organization information into this text based record. So you can also find this using dig command. So let's do this using dig dip then dash t txt, and it will show you the txt based record. So it is the main domain, and the txt record shows us the I mean in types of flag. And as this is a capture the flag machine, so it is showing some flags. If it is a real life scenario, you can see different types of information. Like I can show you, like if you type www.google.com, then it will show you the different information. Like it is the name server, and DNS txt based record is DNS space admin google.com. So these are the types of information you can find from using dig command, and you can automate this using Dnsrecon command. Like it will do all these specified things using one command. So you can do it using Dnsrecon. I think it is a inbuilt tool in Kali Linux, and there's n to specify what types of resource you want to use to get those information. Here I will use the public IP of Google, that is 8.8.8.8, and domain is as specified valvegan.co.uk, and it will do all the enumeration technique automatically, like name server, and that is a source of authority, and also the txt record. So from today's video we will learn that how we can enumerate DNS and find some juicy stuff from this DNS enumeration. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like this video and hit the subscribe button to get updated contents on cybersecurity topics.